Okay, we got the MGM. This is on the Macau side. We're gonna go check it out and show you a little bit around here. That cool statue. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are at the MGM. That's such a beautiful statue. I love that jump rope with the kind of flowers, his hair and hands. So to give you a little bit of context, these are all hotel rooms. I believe that these are all hotel rooms for MGM. This is the MGM on the Macau side, and there's another one on the Taipa Cotai side. Taipa's over that way. Giant MGM over there and a giant MGM over here too. And this one has a giant lion over here. And what we're gonna do is just walk in a little bit and show you around the lobby and this kind of giant aquarium. And I think you'll like it. This is MGM Macau. There's the giant lion. So okay, you got this kind of cool taxi stand area. We're gonna walk straight in and go check this out. And I think we have to show our health card, health ID, most likely. So then we're gonna go in a minute. Okay, so here we are in the lobby of the MGM. And it's the front desk. Pretty cool artwork there. Nice, relaxing music. This statue kind of complements the other one. So there's the other statue way out there, and then they're doing the heat check there. And got another lion. And let's see, this is called the Delinean dancer, Dali, Spanish flamenco. Okay, that's pretty cool. And here's information about it. Okay. So let's go check out the inside. And the best part of this particular casino is this aquarium here. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And they have an art display. This is called the Valkyrian. Pretty mellow in here. Bunch of lions, eh? So a lot of times, yeah, you can sit in here. There's more stuff, but it's kind of the COVID era, so I think that they shut down on most of the stuff that's usually in here, but there is still the aquarium. And they feed the aquarium, I think it's 2 p.m. every day. They come in, and a diver will come in, and then they'll hand feed it, and then and kids, of course, will come. Parents will bring their kids to see it. Got some nice Rocio restaurant, Godiva. Some nice restaurants that kind of have a nice feeling. So we're just going to walk into this area momentarily. And just to give you a feel for it, beautiful artwork. More artwork. And more artwork on this side too. I wonder if these are replicas or originals. I used to think they were replicas, but now I was reading about this other casino. I won't mention it since I'm in this particular one, but this is what it looks like. So that's the casino floor, which I can't bring in the camera, but all that is all shopping. So there's I guess these are hotel rooms. So I'm not going to walk down it, but this is basically what it looks like, and you can walk down into all the stuff, and it's basically just shopping. There's Starbucks, there's every kind of shopping mall kind of stuff you could experience or want. High-end stuff in particular seems to be the focus of a lot of these casinos. But what we're going to do is just stick around in this area because it's really the highlight of this casino. I mean, in my opinion. Depends on a person's interest. And then you can go up in these spaces. I have gone up in there. They're like a little bit more like corporate office kind of feel. Like it's more facade, a beautiful facade on the outside. But when you're actually in it, it's not quite as, feels kind of empty feeling, like you just moved into a new apartment that's needs decorating. But down here, of course, is all set up for tourists. So. Here's some more artwork over here. Should probably pay more attention to the artwork because I think it probably has a lot of you know, I don't know what they spend to. I don't know if it's replicas or if they're new or original. You know, I just don't know. But I saw this other casino. They bought all this artwork, and I guess they I'll just tell you a little bit about it. But they basically decided to bring China back to China. That's what they said. So I think they brought a lot of the artwork from England and from the Western countries that were owning it in their collections, and they wanted to bring it to Macau, and they put it in the casinos. The owner who decided all of that, and so now I'm kind of this is kind of sweet. This is smoke. So there's the writer. There's the okay. Thoughts of Zen. It gives you thoughts of Zen. Huh. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, all the artwork has meaning, so it's pretty cool artwork too. So yeah, I have to look at it from a different perspective. Okay, 32,000. That's you gotta divide it by 8. 193,000 divide that by 8, so that means that 816. So it's like $20,000 for that pair of glasses. Man, I don't know. I'd be nervous wearing around a pair of glasses worth $20,000. So there's more stuff this way. This is actually the hotel area, but it's, I mean the MGM. Yeah, probably a lot of people know all the details. Look at that chandelier. Okay, let's see if this artwork is, see if there's a name for it. No name, okay. It's like a nice colonial desk. So yeah, it's really beautiful. It's a chandelier. I think some of these have kind of wonder. Anyways, this is the MGM. That looks really beautiful too. I think somebody could, must be a replica of something. Let's see what this is. This is Dragon Boat Delight. Huh, okay. Rice dumplings. Got this beautiful piece of work too. Okay, so we're gonna head on out. Wow. So we're gonna head back on out of the building, and then we'll come around to the, it's like a lobby there. Let's see. I think this is a, they have like scotch and things like that here. Fireplace. I call whiskeys and things like that there. Okay. So we're gonna head out this way. Thank you. So we're gonna head on out. So this is the entrance there. And then we're gonna come around to the Lion. Then we're gonna call it the end of the MGM. So this is the MGM Macau. And there's the giant lion. Pretty massive. So there you go. And then if we walk straight ahead, there's a bunch, there's like a little string of bars over here, McDonald's, there's a little string of other stuff down here, including casinos. And then we're kind of in this area called Nape, which is You never know if a car's gonna run around. Anyways, we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.